Hello everyone, this is Wei, and today we're going to talk about OpenLive3D, and this is the 2025 update. You may ask, right, Wei, it's already March. So I actually completed this PowerPoint in early January, but just didn't got a chance to record a video until now. To be very honest, in 2025, we didn't complete too much, and some of the major milestones were contributed by our community members, Gostke Web. Thanks to him a lot, we at least have some actual achievement last year. So these are the major features that was delivered last year. So there are three features. The first one is the heart pose, right? So you will be able to just fix your posture to this heart pose. And the second one is the new UI theme that was contributed by Gostke Web. And the UI theme will be able to provide another options for you to choose in the setting. And within the setting, you will be able to select the theme from Gostke Web. It will be very welcome for anyone to also contribute their UI theme as well. It will take some time for you to get used to how the UI is rendered, but most of the UI design is in one single file, so you don't need to change too much around all the code base. Just in the UI theme, you will be able to define your own UI, and you will be wonderful if you will also like to contribute to this project. And the last one is the most complex one. To be honest, I didn't fully understand how everything could work together, right? So thanks to Gostke Web, he contributed this eye facial mocap integration that you'll be able to use your iPhone or iPad to open up the eye facial mocap features in those devices and connected that to your application version, right? So the web version will not work because you will need the Electron application to open up a port or to communicate through a specific port that your Mac will be able to communicate it to. Anyway, this integration allows you to use iFacial mocap to capture the facial expression and actually without using the machine learning model of your MacBook. So this is actually a great features for some of the MacBook with lesser spec. For example, if your MacBook is like MacBook Air 1 or 2, like it's very old. In this case, if you are using iFacial mocap, you are changing the machine learning running on the iPhone instead of on your MacBook, right? So this will help the rendering a lot. You will no longer seeing your model being stuck or the frame rate is bad because you are changing the machine learning rendering, the machine learning running on your phone instead of your laptop. So thanks to Gostke Web again, for this iFacial mocap integration, right? So these are the three features that we delivered. So for the backlog, we're still following up on some of the features that we could delivered. The first one, I have been waiting Google for 2 years. They still hasn't fixed this bug. Before this bug is fixed, we just won't be able to make a more vivid facial expression, right? So Google really need to fix this bug. We're still following up on their MediaPipe issue page. Yeah, waiting for 2 years, still waiting for him, waiting for them. One of the reasons why we slow our development progress down is because Google just won't fix their thing. Right. So the second backlog items is that model flipping. Right. So some like community members will want us to be able to flip the model. And this flipping is not so simple. We already have a flipping function, but that is corresponding to the like camera flipping. Right? So you will be able to flip the horizontal currently, but if you just want to flip the model itself, the 3D model itself, instead of the entire screen, what you will need to do is to do the rotation mapping algorithm flipping, right? Which is a lot more complicated because we need quite some testing to actually make sure the rotation mapping is correct, right? So this is one of the requested features. And also for the pause and play icon, the reason why I'm saying icon here is because pause and play is already completed. You can actually, in the setting, in the camera capture, there is an enable and disable like checkbox, and you can actually check and uncheck it to pause and play. So this is already a completed feature. We're still thinking if we're going to put the pause and play icon or not. There is a request from our community members to put it without opening the menu. This could help to like record the features easier. And the last one is model scaling. The reason for this feature request is because we do notice that when we scale down our windows or our web page a bit, when the render size is actually smaller, the model runs smoother, right? So there is a request that we have this model scaling to tune down the scaling numbers so everything can be run smoother for some of the MacBook like Air with lesser spec. And that's it for the backlog, and that's it for the entire review for last year, for 2025. And hope to see you next year, and will be really appreciated if more of you will be like to contribute into this project. Thank you. Bye bye.